Are you happy when you look at your handwriting? Some of you will say yes, and some of you will say no. In that case, with the examinations approaching fast, you must be wondering how you can improve your handwriting, right? After all, we know that improving handwriting was taught when we were very, very young. And now, at this age and stage, we think that improving our handwriting is nearly impossible. But not so if you look at these 6 tips to improve handwriting. And you can improve your handwriting in just within 10 minutes. Check it out. Tip number 1. Use a pen that is light enough. From the number of pens that are available in the market, you can choose the one which is just right for you. It should not be too heavy nor too light. If you use a very heavy or very light pen, you will find it is difficult to maneuver it according to the strokes. This may result in non-uniform handwriting and also uneven handwriting, so use the pen that is light enough. Do you write running handwriting in cursive style like so, or Marian Richardson style like so? If you do, make sure that your letters are parallel to each other. Not this is right, this is wrong. You can write this way better if you hold the pen firmly and guide the tip in a regular, uniform and parallel strokes. If your grip is loose, then the tip will not form uniform strokes. And you will end up having untidy handwriting. If you have tried this method earlier and still can't improve your handwriting, then you can write it in disjointed handwriting or in print. Like so. You will see that the handwriting in print will look a little better and can be read very easily by the examiner. Compare this handwriting, the running and in print. See for yourself which one looks better. Write it in the comment box. Make sure that the capital letters are twice the height of the small letters. This is important because otherwise your D will look like A and your A will look like D. You must have the capital size twice the size of the small letter. You'll have to be cautious over here, otherwise you will cause confusion while reading your handwriting. So, by writing the capital letter twice as the small letters, it will definitely show as improved handwriting. Make sure that you write your letters and numbers distinctly. Like for example, if you write 5, write it like so. Don't write 5 like this. Otherwise, this will look like the letter S. And the examiner will start wondering whether it is 5 or S. And that definitely is not going to give you good marks. Also, write your C as a C. Do not write it like this or like this C, because then it will look like I, or it may just look like this, and then you will see that this can look like E. This is your C, which is looking like I. So be very careful. Also, when you write the number 4, either write it this way or this way, but do not write it like this. Because when you write it like this, it looks very close to 9, which is written in a hurry like so. So you will see there is a similarity between this 4 written this way and this 9 written this way. Be careful to dot your I and to cross your T. Otherwise, your I can be mistaken as E and your T will be mistaken for L. So be alert about that. Tip number 5. If you are writing a paper, start your work slowly, keeping in mind all the earlier tips so that your handwriting will look neat. And with your improved handwriting, you will create a good impression on the examiner. Remember that the first impression is the best impression, and that will last longer. Later on, you can write faster. Tip number 6. Underline your handwriting. Now, the key words of your handwriting should be underlined. When you underline, do not underline immediately on the line, or do not underline it just above this given ruled line, but make sure that you underline it slightly below, like this. Now, can you see this is clearer? This is not clear, and this also is not clear. This will stand out immediately for the examiner's attention to be caught. Can you see how well your underlined words stand out if you do it this way? So, with all these tips, I'm sure that you will improve your handwriting just within the next 10 minutes. And then keep practicing and keep winning. God bless you. If you have improved your handwriting or not, do let me know in the comment box. Of course, if you already have good handwriting, that's amazing. Do subscribe to the channel, like, and share it. Thank you for your time.